I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to find out if Telus has coverage in your area, follow these steps to check the coverage map. Step 1. Visit the Telus website. Go to the official Telus website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll find the most accurate and up-to-date coverage information. Step 2. Navigate to the coverage map. Once on the home page, look for the coverage or network section, usually found in the main menu. Click on it to access the coverage map. Step 3. Enter your location. You will see a search bar on the coverage map page. Enter your address, city, or postal code to find specific coverage details for your area. Step 4. Review the coverage details. After entering your location, the map will display coverage details. Look for different colors indicating various coverage levels such as 4G, 5G, or no coverage. Step 5. Check for updates. Coverage maps can change, so it is a good idea to check back periodically. You might also find additional information about planned expansions or upgrades in your area. If you notice that your area is marked as having no coverage, consider reaching out to Telus customer service for more information on future plans. Happy browsing!